Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. So I believe in focusing less on being right and more on doing good. Okay? It's very important. So I used to always want to be right. So if there was an argument or there was all these different, projects, whatever we're doing, I always wanted to have the right answer. But it wasn't until I stopped thinking about, whoever's right or wrong, and just think about, more of the intention of what I was doing, then my life really started to change and I started to get better results. Okay? For example, if you're working on a team, right, and you're always constantly having to try and say, okay, my answer's right, your answer's wrong, you're going to lose a lot of time. In fact, a better thing to do is let's see all the different answers that you guys have. And then let us look and pick out the, areas that are all, in alignment together. And let's make one strategy that's going to have the best chance of being good and actually succeeding. I don't care if this one's right, this one's wrong, blah, 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 blah. Let's take out every single good aspect of the plans, put them together, make one plan, and let's move forward faster rather than arguing and being slow and trying to be right. Okay? That's what it takes to make your business go forward. Focus on the intention and doing good and actually being effective rather than being right or wrong. Okay? If that's what you're searching for, to be able to actually reach your goals because you're actually intentionally moving forward in your business, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below to my free group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. Hope to see you in there. Have a great day. Talk to you soon and see you later.